Excited! Get ready for an extraordinary collaboration in the world of Pokemon and engineering. The Pokemon Company and Honda have joined forces to create a life-sized motorbike based on Koraidon, a star of Pokémon Scarlet. Unveiled at the Honda Welcome Plaza in Tokyo, this exhibit is set to capture the imaginations of Pokémon fans and bike enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned as we dive into this unique, Pokémon-inspired creation. Friendly. If you've ever wondered what it might be like to ride a Pokémon, your dreams just came a step closer to reality. Although not fully functional, this motorbike concept mirrors the size and weight of its digital counterpart. How cool is that? Honda's collaboration with Pokémon brings the digital world to life, sparking the imagination of fans worldwide. Let's see what makes this bike so special. Serious. The collaboration marks the second venture between automotive and gaming giants. Last year, Toyota brought us a Koraidon-themed bike. These concepts aren't just about scale replicas. They emphasize the creative spirit and technological advancements in game merchandising. These bikes may not be road-ready, but their design pays homage to the unique role Koraidon and Miraidon play in Pokemon's gaming universe. Soothing. As part of the Pokemon Day celebrations marking the franchise's 29th anniversary, this initiative was just one highlight among many festive offerings. From streaming events to new game announcements, fans get to revel in the nostalgia and innovation that Pokemon continues to bring into our lives. It's not just about a game anymore, it's about a culture. Broadcaster. What happens next to these artistic motorbikes remains a mystery. Speculations suggest they might find a new home in one of Japan's Pokemon centers, adding to the immersive experience that these can't-miss retail destinations offer. Tune in for more on this exciting chapter in Pokemon's ongoing adventure, and find out where these incredible creations might roll off to next.